So now, remember, 4 out of all the time frame must be saying the same thing, right?
Yes.
So
Yes.
now that they are all saying the same thing, let's go and confirm, right? With kill shot to know our volume, because already trend wave, I wanted to remember the name of the scanner. Trend wave already gave us our parameters, but sometimes, right, you're skeptical because you're like, should I take this trade? Are you sure? Do you get? So to just give you that 100% certainty, right? We'll
Mm.
take the confirmations to kill shot. So let's go to kill shot. So what are we looking for? We're looking for what? A buy in what?
Yeah.
On US 30, right? So
Yes.
let's take it to kill shot. So go to kill shot.
Yeah. To minimize. Uh,
We have the tab open, just select
yeah.
it.
Yeah. Yeah. I want to select it.
Amazing. Now, I don't know if you're going to write what I want to say, but for kill shots, right? These are your rules for confirmation. Are we on trend? Right? If the rules for confirmation is, are we on trend? Now, if you look at this, so put it is on US 30, we're on 5 minutes, good. So now look at on trend, we have trend M1, M5, M15, M30, 4 hours daily, right? On
Yes.
US 30. We have
Mhm.
POC and we have price. Now the trend is telling us, what is it telling us on 1 minute? It's saying it's up, right? Which is bearish, which is a buy uptrend. 5 minutes is saying up. 15 minutes is telling us up. 30 minutes is telling us up, which is what trend wave was saying, right?
Yes.
So now, once we confirm the trend here, then the next thing we want to look out for is, are we above or below the POC? Now, remember, look at the POC. Can you see this line below?
Which one?
The yellow line below.
This one.
Can you see that arrow? That's like a comment there in blue by the
This.
side. No, up
This
under the
one.
yellow.
This one. Yeah.
Exactly.
Five
Yes.
minute POC.
Yes. What does it say? 5 minutes
Prices
POC is
above.
what?
Prices above.
Good. That is, it's still indicating up, right?
Yes.
So it's telling us that, okay, in 5 minute POC, the trend is still above, right? So for a downtrend, it will tell you below. I'll still
Okay.
write all this thing out and give to you so that you know how to check them yourself. But I want to teach you so you know when to take a trade or to abandon it. Because I don't want you to have all these tools and still, right? Let's be packing money. So now it's telling us above. Can you see it? POC is above on 5 minutes.
Is that above 38,573?
POC price, right?
Yeah.
38 is telling you price. Price is above 38. 5 minutes POC's price is above. Then now drag your trades down a bit. Or should I say, yeah, I want to show you something. No, down. No, 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 no.
Okay, I should put it down like this.
The chart itself, not, take it down. Mhm. Now, can you see this star-like thing?
This one.
Yes, it is called a 238, right?
Two.
38. That is what it's called.
Okay.
I don't know why it is called that. I'm still learning too. With Jay,
Yeah.
every day I'm joining his live session to learn more,
Okay.
right? So this is what he teaches. Is the 238 behind you, right? If it is behind you, it is a buy. That is like confirmations that is telling you to buy, right? If the 238 is in front of you, that buy is not legit.
Okay.
So this is another confirmation. Is the candle and the signal color. Now let's drag it up so we'll see the chart color. Right. So we can see that from uptrend is like blue, bullish blue, right? Now, what's the color of the chart?
Chart, which chart are you talking about?
This chart that has, can you see these blue lines?
This one.
Yes, not the, no, not that one. Like a graph, this graph-like thing.
And that's what I'm saying. This one that goes like this.
That
This
is
one.
one line. I'm talking about the graph that is like a bar, like a bar.
Okay, this one. Okay.
Yes,
All right.
right. If you zoom out, you see that there's some part that is red. Zoom, so you see that there's a red and a blue version.
Sorry.
As if we want to close the candles together, like we're trying to reduce the sizes of the candle. So you're zooming in. No, you are moving. We want to zoom in the other way.
The other way around.
So like maybe zoom out.
Uh-huh. No, it's not moving.
Okay, let's just drag to the side so we can see the red.
So is it to the right or left?
The other side. Keep going. You are on the right track. Can you see there's a red?
Yeah, this one is.
Yes. So take it up so you can see well.
Yeah, this one.
Right. Right.
Yeah.
So I'm trying to tell you that there's a color difference. There's a red and there's a blue.
Yeah.
You already know red candles indicate sales, blue candles indicate buys. Right?
Yes.
So another confirmation to let you know that that buy is legit is these bars, these barcodes, this
Yes.
color, yes, grid. Let me use the right word, color
Yeah.
grid, right? Will be the same with the candles. Does the candle and the color match? Color grid match?
Yeah.
Yes. Do they match?
This is blue, and
Yes.
that one is green.
Normally, bullish is blue.
Oh, okay. Okay. Yes,
Right?
they are now. Yeah.
So, do they match?
Yes.
That's another confirmation. When you have all these things confirmed, not candle, we are talking about the grid. So,
This
scroll
one.
up the grid and the candle. So, scroll up. Let's go and look at the candles. Just scroll up so we can see the candles. We're scrolling up, drag up.
That's what okay.
So, now we're looking at the candles, right? The grid
Mm.
and the candles, do they match?
Can I say they match now? Because now, what about this red that are forming?
Which red? Are you not seeing that it's a reversal?
Okay, this blue.
Like, let me tell you the market. If something wants to keep going up more, higher than the way it went, it needs
Yeah.
to go down to take more volume
Yeah.
and keep pushing up. That's forex for you. From
Okay.
the trend, you will know, is it an uptrend or a downtrend?
It has
Even
been
if
on
there are
uptrend.
small sales in between, go and look at
Okay.
the first time it sold. It is to gather volume to buy more. Look at the
Okay.
previous sale.
Yeah.
Is it not to gather volume to buy more? That is it again. Right? Now, one thing I want you to take note of is when you're going to be trading um you also look at the volume in the market. So come to the side.
Like this or like
No, the
this?
other side. Just leave. Can you see where it says pre-open? Pre-open up in green.
Pre-open, yes. Yes.
We'll read what it says.
Good volume.
So New York sessions opens from 12, right? So it's
Yeah.
telling you pre-open, right? It's from 11 to around 1. Right now, it is like past 1. So the market has good volume. If you, like me now, when I traded this today, it was around 11, right? It was telling me low volume. Low volume. Now you see all these buys that occurred, I bought with it. So that's why if you listen to my first training on trend wave, I spoke about timing where to trade US 30 mostly.
Yes.
Not like other times is not really good or stuff like that. Because you have to check where you have more liquidity in the market. Now, so let's go and look at our trend wave. So for you now, this trade, is it a good trade to go in?
Yeah, it's good. I think it's a buy.
Yes. So let's go and look for entry point on trend wave.
Yeah.
Is that our entry?
This is the entry.
Okay. So take it and put your TP1.
On my MetaTrader 4 or 5. 5, right?
Yeah, whichever one is your demo. I want you to see it play
Okay.
out,
MetaTrader 4.
right? If you want to take it on your live, but I want you to see it play out. I don't want panic, emotional. Do you get? That's why I want
Let
you
me
to use
put
your
it
demo.
on. Let me put it on 4.
Gift, take the trade also.
Mine is saying chat, no trade.
No trade. How? You don't have US 30.
I saw US 30, but it just writing chat detail, statistic, deep of market. Then no, they
Check,
didn't give.
screenshot it to me.
Okay.
Mr. Elijah, let me know once you've placed the trade. You see your TP, put it there.
It's DJ30 now.
Yes.
Did I send it on your WhatsApp or this one?
Yes, on my WhatsApp.
Okay. Done that.
So search for it is not active.
He said what?
The
It's not on
search
your demo.
is not there. It's not even active to search.
I did see mine, but it didn't write trade. It just went to chat details and all that.
I don't know why it's not active.
Okay, take it on your live.
So,
Use 0.1.
I've not done my live.
No, I'm not talking to you. It's Mr. Elijah. He's live
let me
already.
try.
You've not connected your own gift.
No. I went
Mm.
to my demo. I've been looking in my MT5, looking for where how to connect it and all that, but they were asking like where my broker and all that.
Yeah, I'll show you how to connect it. Don't worry.
Okay.
I should put it on 5, right?
0.1.
No, did you say I should use my MetaTrader 5?
Yes.
Okay, okay. Meta 5.
So what we are going to go to your VT market. Stop sharing your laptop, then share your phone.
Okay, I should not put it yet.
Don't
Then
take
share
the
your
trade.
phone.
Share your phone screen. Let me show you something. Let me share.
You want to share?
I want to share and show you something. So you can see my screen, right?
Yes.
As I told you to take the trade, I took the trade, right? So that you know that I'm not telling you to do what I'm not doing. Now, this is your chart. This is your quotes. This is your chart. This is your trade icon, and this is your history, right? So you come to chart. Let's say I want to take this trade now. This is what I expect you to do. 0.1, right? Buy. From your chart, initiate the trade. Do you understand? You click on it.
I've not understood what you are saying. Let me see.
You've not understood what I'm saying. Can you see this cell here?
Yeah, I know.
Can you see this buy here?
Yeah.
When I click on it, can you see this middle part?
Yes, I know.
Okay, you
Is it
know how
not
to
chat?
take trade from the chart.
No, I've not. That's why I'm asking. I
That's
don't
what I'm
know.
saying. Like it's simple. It's called one click trading. So you
Okay.
click it from here, right? And
From
then you
where?
do it
From the
from the buy.
down.
From the buy. If you are buying, you click the buy.
Even from this chat icon.
But sir, we are seeing it together. We're watching it. Can you see this buys I'm opening with 0.1? I'm going to click another buy again. We have 3. So I'm going to click another one. It's going to come to 4. Have you seen it? As I
No.
click, it places it immediately. Let
What
me
you are
come to
explaining is
trade.
like I'm not seeing it too. I'm not
Are you
seeing.
not seeing my screen?
Yeah, I can see your screen, but I can't see
These are
what
the
you have.
trades I've placed.
Okay.
Immediately I click buy, it will place a trade. Are you not seeing these lines in blue, 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 blue?
Yes.
So there are trades that I've placed. As I click it, it places. This buy here.
That green.
What
There is
green?
buy and sell up there
Can't
that
you
is
see sell and
blinking.
buy?
I can't see anything like that, man.
You can't see sell and buy up.
Yes, yeah, I can't find it.
Up of that picture that our picture is showing, you see sell and you see buy the other side.
Oh, is something
Remove,
covering it?
drag my,
That
no, it's gift is your own. Drag the icon
okay.
out, completely out. If you can see, this is an icon, I'm dragging it out. So drag your own
Yes.
out.
Are you talking to me or gift?
Both of you.
I've done that.
Now, can you see this blue and red beeping? It's changing colors.
Yeah, I've seen it.
Though that barcode where the numbers, the prices are reading.
Yeah.
Seen that.
So can you see sell and buy there,
Yeah.
Mr.
Yes,
Elijah?
yes, I can see it now.
When I click buy, it buys
Mm,
and places a trade for me.
okay, yeah, I know.
That's what I'm saying.
And
You
but
know,
the 0.1 that you put in the middle, that's what I'm saying.
it's my lot size.
Okay. So I was surprised now when you just click buy and you just put
No,
0.1.
before
So
I
that
was
was
on trading my 2. When I told you to take the trade and I took the trade, I took it with my normal lot size of my 2,
okay.
right? But when I wanted to now
That was what
explain,
confused me.
yes, because I can't take 2. You are going to do 0.1. So we're not the same risk
Okay,
level.
all right.
So then after doing that, then you modify it to put your SL and TP, right?
Exactly.
Okay.
Same process of modification. Put your SL and your TP, right? You drag, click on the pencil icon, put your SL and your TP, right? When you put your SL and your TP, don't always wait for your trade to ETP. That's the thing about these scanners. Scalp. It's called scalping. So once your trade goes into profit, right, take the trade. Like close your trade in profit. As I am, when I see 20 pounds, I've closed. Someone is waiting to see 50 pounds. Listen, no. I know that I have unlimited trades to take. So I'm not going to wait for one, like, this is one idea. I'm not going to wait for one idea to give me £100. No. Right? So that's just what I wanted to show you guys.
But for people that are using like 0.3, as you have said,
No,
if
I
you
said
put
0.1. I never said 0.3.
No, what I'm saying is for people using 0.3 that are not in the same lot size.
Mm-hmm.
Now, if you put 0.1, by the time you see 20 pounds, that person may still be on maybe 2
No,
or 1.
with zero, you're saying 0.3, right?
0.03, 0.03.
No, you can't use 0.0. This is the lowest lot size for DJ30. It's an indices pair. Remember, I explained it to you.
Okay, for DJ30. Okay, I'm
Yes.
talking in terms of gold.
No,
Yeah.
I'm not talking, when what I'm teaching you is not in terms of other pairs. It's in terms
Okay.
of US30.
Okay.
Right? Your
Yeah.
0.1 is the lowest lot size. It's just like trading with 0.01.
0. Okay.
Do you get?
Yeah.
So that's 0.1. Now, if you were going to use your, let's say you had a £500 account and you were going to use your normal lot size and you want to do 2 positions, you can do 0.4, right? 0.4,
Mm.
or in 2 positions. Let's say you want to do 2 positions, right?
Mm.
0.4, you buy twice, right? Or you do 0.5. I'm not going to open another position until I close what I have in profit.
Okay.
It's a short scalp. So,
Yeah.
right, I'm not expecting, let's say we bought with 0.5, right? I'm not expecting that I'll come and see where's 0.5? These two are the 0.5, right? So I'm going to scratch when this trade, let's put our TP. I want you to open, give me the TP, call it Mr. Elijah.
Okay. All right. TP1
Mm,
39.90, 39.90,
mm.
then 7.75.
3990.75.
39. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
let me call it that. 39907.75.
Mm-hmm. 39907.75.
No. Yeah. 75.
So same thing, you put your SL, right?
Yeah.
Now this trade is going, right? So let's say, can you see that my 0.5 them, despite the fact that this 0.1 are lower than them, look at the 0.5. Can you see that is in the middle? We have
Yeah.
some 0.1 that is lower than them, but the money is still higher because of my lot size. I don't know. Do you understand what I mean, guys? You're not saying anything.
Yeah, I understood what you are saying. I'm just comparing my MetaTrader 5 with what you are doing here.
We'll do your own together. Don't worry. That's why we're on the Zoom, right? I just wanted to show you. Now I've put the TP. Let's check where the TP is. So look at the TP. Me that I'm going to scalp. how can I be waiting for this TP to reach here? Is my father the owner of the market? Do you understand, guys?
Yeah.
So I'm going to give myself my own TP. You see where this candle, I changed my time to 30 minutes because when I set it on 5 minutes, I cannot see my TP. I went 15 minutes, I can't see my TP. 30 minutes, I now zoomed out, then I could see my TP. I'm not going to wait in that long. I'm going to use this icon. You once you click on this plus sign, you see it will bring out this arrow, and I'm going to initiate my own TP.
What plus sign? The one on top?
Yes.
Okay.
I'm just using it to guide my price to know exactly which TP to give myself. Let's say I'm going to do 39404. Or let's say you leave it on the TP, what's it called? Trendway gives you. Hmm?
Yes.
But when your trades are in profit, on your own, you can manually close it. Do you understand?
Yeah.
Manually close it in profit. But I personally like to give myself TP in case I'm busy with people. Just the same way we're on this Zoom now. And
Yes.
I'll be running trade. Do you get? So that
Yes.
I can just come back to a closed. If you check my history, most of them are like TP hits, like to closed entries already. So even if I see them, like now, someone will see this now and panic. No, as long as my confirmations are okay, right? The trend can change. That's why you follow your risk management because it's not 100%. Do you understand?
Yes.
And that's why I want you to practice it first on your demo so that you have that liberty to try out things for yourself. So that's just it. And then you see it, it's struggling because it's an uptrend. The sell is struggling because it's an uptrend. You understand? So it goes
Yes.
back, gathers more momentum to push up more. So once you've done your own confirmation, once you now see it going down, that's not when to panic.
Amy,
Hmm.
bring our water there.
Because you've
Bring
already
our water.
gift, is that you?
Bring our
Not
water.
you.
It's not you.
Water.
Not me.
Water. Our water. Collect us go bed. Okay.
Okay.
Water.
Yeah, Mr. Elijah, share.
Okay, man.
So log into your PT Markets, your broker server. Let's open a VT demo for you.
Are you talking about me?
Yes, sir.
Okay. On the phone.
Whichever one you want to use. If you want to use your laptop, it's fine. They will still send you the email to your phone. If you want to use your phone, it's fine. So guys, look at this, right? This is the current trade running. Now, if I want to, let's say I want to close this to the one with two lot size, I'll click on the line, and you see this close will pop out, right? You see the profit 19. Let me click on the 50. The close will pop out. Now someone can just say it's 3 right now. Want to now close everything. So once you tap, it brings you here immediately. You close your profits, right? Or you can just allow your trades to run a bit and break even. If you're going to leave it to run to the main TP, always break even.
I think from my own suggestion, I believe that if you see that your trade is running to profit that you like, it is better one closes it
Yes, that's
rather
what I'm
than
saying.
leaving.
Like if you have why it's always good to break even is because you can make more money.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay, so but one can close and still try another one again. It does not mean that it has to be that one.
Yes. Okay. Yeah. I like you.
That's what I believe. So
Yeah. 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 That works. Yeah. Yeah. True. 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 Okay. So this is just it right now. I can decide to say, okay, let me just close it. It's a good one, right? And I can decide to leave it. So I'm just going to leave it till 3909 and I'll close.
Hello? I want to ask.
Yes. So can you see the 0.50? Can you see it's on £17 now? The
yeah,
0.5, Mr.
yeah,
So can you see
yes.
like you don't have to do too much sometimes?
0.5.
Yes. Can you see it's on 21?
0.5 is higher than 0.1 now.
Yes.
So.
No, I said for a £500 account can do
Okay,
0.5,
okay.
right?
Yeah,
So if you just open it in two positions, you just know that you made your £50 in like minutes,
yeah,
and you're fine. You open another position, you do another 20. Before you know it, like personally, I don't do too much because on a particular trade, though, I know that I'll still get other trades. So if I do like maybe 50 here, I'm waiting for another session to do another maybe 30 or 50 like that. Before you know it, I've walked away with 70 or £100 at the end of the day. I have my daily targets, right?
yeah.
Okay.
So for somebody to do profitable something like this, one needs to open kill shot and that
So
trend
you
wave before.
people can use killshot alone to do this, right? But
Yeah,
why I do use both is because sometimes beginners, they don't know which entry to use, which stop loss
okay.
to use, which take profit to use.
Which trend wave will give you?
Yes. Do you understand? So when you
Yes.
combine both, it's like you are all set.
Okay.
Before I open this case shot and everything is just like magic, but you explaining it, I think it's more easier.
Yeah.
Understand more than watching the video.
And it's because most times live classes always better than recording, because unless you attended that particular live, when you